What if I told you that the future of medicines, vaccines, and disease detection may not be decided in Silicon Valley or Europe, but right here, Amaravati, Andhra Pradesh? In last few weeks, headlines quietly reported something big. One newspaper wrote that India may soon build its first ever Quantum BioFoundry in Amaravati. Another described it as a move that could place Andhra Pradesh on the global deep science map. This is not science fiction. This is a real proposal and it could shape India's next decade. Let's understand what this really means. According to recent reports, a high level of group of scientists and technology leaders met Andhra Pradesh government to present a roadmap for Quantum BioFoundry as a part of Amaravati Quantum Valley. One headline clearly said, India's first Quantum BioFoundry may come up in Amaravati. But beyond the headline, the bigger question is, why does this matter to you and me? Because every medicine we consume, every vaccine we trust, every diagnostic test we depend on is limited to how fast scientists can study the biology. And India wants to speed that up. What is a biofoundry? Let's simplify this. A biofoundry is a factory, but instead of cars or electronics, it designs and tests biological systems. DNA, proteins, microbes, vaccines, diagnostic tools, etc. Instead of one experiment at a time, biofoundries can use automation, robotics, AI, and data analytics to run thousands of experiments together. A newspaper described biofoundries as facilities that rapidly design, engineer, and test biological systems using automation. In simple words, biology moves from slow trial and error to fast, repeatable science. Now here's where this project becomes truly different. This is not just biofoundry, it is Quantum BioFoundry. Quantum computers are especially powerful and handling complex problems like protein folding, molecular simulations, and drug discovery. Problems where classical computers struggled. One report explained that quantum computing could dramatically improve the speed and accuracy of analyzing DNA and modeling the protein interactions. This does not mean instant cures. It means fewer years wasted, fewer failed experiments, and faster paths to research. That difference can save lives. So, why Amaravati? Because Andhra Pradesh is positioning the city as India's Quantum Valley, a deep tech ecosystem focused on future technologies. Recent headlines noted that discussions including major tech players like IBM, TCS, and L&T working alongside the state government. The chief minister reportedly said Amaravati should become a global research hub, not just an administrative capital. The vision is simple. Bring scientists, startups, universities, and industry to one ecosystem where India does not just use advanced technology but creates it. If this Quantum BioFoundry succeeds, the impact could be massive. Faster vaccine development, better cancer and rare disease research tools, diagnostic design specifically for Indian populations, sustainable biomanufacturing, and thousands of high-skilled deep tech jobs. One article described this initiative as a strategic investment in India's long-term scientific and biomedical capability. This is how countries move from being technology consumers to technology leaders. Now, an important reality check. This project is still in the proposal and planning stage. It's not operational yet. Designs are being discussed, partnerships are being explored, roadmaps are being built. But this is exactly how major ecosystems begins. India's IT boom didn't start with certainty. It started with a vision and patience. If Amaravati becomes home to India's first Quantum BioFoundry, this won't just be about labs and machines. It will be about better healthcare, scientific self-reliance, opportunity for the young researchers, and India's place in future of biotechnology. Sometimes the biggest revolutions don't start with noise. They start quietly inside the labs. What do you think? Should India invest more in deep science projects like this?